Now go ahead and select the rotate tool. So to rotate this, we will just click once. Actually, let's go ahead and make this an object again. So I'm just dragging my mouse and I'm going to right click make group. And now let's go to our rotate tool. And as you can see, whenever we move our mouse, it wants to rotate along a surface. So here it's detecting that surface, and we can see the colors is what is the angle that it's rotating against. So here, right here in the green, we are rotating perpendicular to the green axis. So if I click on that and drag my mouse, well, first I select the base point, and then I have to select another point, and I'm just going to select along that green axis. And now when I drag my mouse, I can move it along that perpendicular to that green axis. And I can type in a dimension here, or I can just move it anywhere there. And so same thing. Now if I wanted to move along this perpendicular to this blue axis, I'll just move my mouse here. And sometimes you have to get to know SketchUp a little bit to know how it like if you just kind of move your mouse down a little bit, you'll get into that blue rotation angle. And let's go ahead, and it looks a little weird there. I actually did something a little different there. Okay, there we go, blue. And now it's gonna select the point, and there we can move it along a perpendicular to that blue axis. And again over here, now I don't need to select on the object. I can select anywhere, and I'm just getting it so that I'm on that red axis there. And let's see, well, it's a little tricky to get it do it again. Okay, now I'm holding down shift to lock it into that red axis, and I could click anywhere. Click here, and let's click another point here, and there I could move it. I can have that center of rotation there. So now another thing is when it looks black, that means it's not on any axis, so it's just on a different angle altogether. So here it's just on the angle perpendicular to that surface. So I select there, select the second point, and again I don't have to select on this line. I can select anywhere, and this will be the center of my rotation. So there we can see getting a real funky angle there. Okay, so that's basically the rotate tool. Oh, one more thing I do want to show you with the rotate tool, and this goes back similar to the copy command. We can select this, and let's select the second point, and if I toggle control, it will make a copy of that as well. So again, hit control, and it's moving it, control, copying it. Okay, so let's move to the follow me command.